Hello everyone. Today I will introduce you about our game engine final projects. So for our game, what we are trying to do is a game called Blatcho. So if you go to Steam, you can search this Blatcho game. It's a pretty new game, just come up 6 months ago, and it's a strategy plus gamble game basically. So you can see it's using a card here, but for our game, we are replacing those cards with dices and with different strategy. So let's just first try to play our game. So you have to go to the game folder. So for our game, we have engine and game folder. Our engine is quite easy. It's basically applicable to org this kind of games. It's introducing your some different components, dice managers, things managers, those stuff, and also three things we are using as an interface. And you cannot play game in the engine folder. You have to go to the game folder. So if you go to game folder and you hit dub, so it will start the game for you. uh, so you can try to start. So here you can see it's a round one. This is a score threshold you have to meet in this round in order to win this game. And if you win this game, it will give you $50. uh, so these are the combination of those dices. It's a two of kind, basically means you have two dices with the same value, and the way we calculate score is the dice sum times the multiplier. This multiplier depends on different combinations. So a two of kind is 1.25. And by default, each player have three rerolls, three submission chances. And by default, you have $50 right now. And if you win this round, it will give you $50. So you have $100 for the shopping in the later. So another functionality is you can always lock certain dices for reroll later. So what I mean here is five I lock these three dices. I can hit reroll, it will reroll the other two. And it's a four house, basically means you have three dices with same value, two dices with same another two dices with same value. So it will have a larger multiply. So in this round you can have 28 times 3. I think it's 84. So you win this round. So now you can see that you have $100. In the next round, you have to hit this 75 threshold. So for $100, what you can buy is actual reroll. You can, and basically, the lucky dice simply means if you have a dice on 6, it will add extra 2 on the total sum. So for example, if you have 1 6 dices, and the total sum will be 20, so finally you will have 22 as a total sum. The score multiplier means for a full house, it's multiplied by 3. If you buy this one, you can have 3 times 1.5. So this score multiplier will enhance the multiplier value. And also can buy extra submit. For demonstration, I will just buy extra reroll for now, and now hit go next round. So you can see I have 4 rerolls right now, and I can always hit submit because for several round it's quite easy to meet. So two of kind has 2.125. It's still two of kind. Okay, I don't have any buying power. I think that's pretty much about our game. Now I will introduce you about the GUI parts. So this is our GUI menu. So what you can do is you have to upload a JSON file for combination and shop item. So for combination, you can see these are some 8 combinations right now in our game. For two of kind, the default is 1.25. For the 4 house, it's 3. For large stride, it's 4. Small stride is 2.5. You can always change these things. Let's say I want to change small stride to 3. And once I hit save, so it will change the value in our JSON file. Same thing for the shop item. What you can do is you go to the shop item, you upload this JSON folder. So you can see these are the cards that shows on our shops, so you can also change anything here or add any extra shop items for use. So for score multiplier, it costs 200 bucks. Increments score multiplier by 0.5. Basically, it's 1.5 in total. And extra submission will increment the submission by 1. Revival ones is basically allowing you to revival. Uh, so the lucky dice basically means the trigger value will be 6, the bonus point will be 2. Same thing for the 4. Trigger is 4, bonus is 2. For 1, it's 1 in 1 because it costs less. So yeah, that's basically all about our game. Thanks for your watching.